of my Capstone project in a Synchronous Spanish 101 course. I will provide an overview of the home page, the syllabus section, and will take you through an overview of the 4 different units. I will then explain how to navigate the course and will provide an overview of Unit 1. On the home page, you see that the course is divided into modules. The first module provides a brief explanation of the materials to be covered in the course, as well as a link to the syllabus and a page with advice for handling technical difficulties. And now I'll click the syllabus to provide a more detailed overview of the course. Each unit has several scaffolding/practice assignments that are worth a combined total of 340 points, with each individual assignment being worth 20 points. This means there are ample opportunities to practice Spanish. There are 4 assessments that are worth a combined total of 200 points, with each assessment being worth 50 points. I've included classroom policies as well, the most notable of which being that online translators are not permitted. If we scroll down, we see that this course is divided into 4 units. The first unit serves as an introduction to the course and to teach students about greetings. Highlights include a discussion forum in which students introduce themselves, and a tutorial on written accents. I'll take you through the activities in more detail soon. Unit 2 is about definite and indefinite articles. By the end of this unit, students gain the ability to talk about their surroundings using very simple phrases. An important part of this unit is the verb I, which allows students to start sentences by saying there is or there are. Unit 3 is about the verb ser, and students end this unit with the ability to use simple phrases to talk about themselves and about others. These phrases may include saying where they're from or what they do for a living. As a part of this unit, students must also learn about subject pronouns. Unit 4 is perhaps the most interesting unit and is about university studies. Students learn important verbs needed to talk about their lives as a university student, in addition to vocabulary to talk about their courses. A long list of AR verbs is included in this unit and is an important part of what students need to talk about their studies. I'll return to the home page and click the Unit 1 module. First, I'd like to highlight that I implemented a Z layout in an effort to make all information as readable as possible. The name of the unit is on top with all important information in the diagonal. By the time we make it to the bottom of the Z, we get to the first assessment. Scrolling back up, we have the objectives for the unit along with a discussion forum that serves as the first assignment. Next is a section about written accents with relevant tutorials and a brief practice quiz. There is a dividing line, and students are provided resources about greetings in Spanish. After an other dividing line, students are presented with a brief quiz, the first assignment to help them recall greetings. For the second assignment, students make a presentation with a model conversation in which they begin to make use of their knowledge about greetings. The final assignment has students create with a language, answering questions asked by the professor. The assessment for this unit contains both a written and a spoken component. For the written component, students return to the discussion forum to introduce themselves to their classmates in Spanish. For the spoken component, students interact with their classmates via Flipgrid, an online tool used to aid in communication. The remaining units have the same general format as Unit 1, with all relevant information being on the same page. Just as in Unit 1, students can access activities by clicking the highlighted links, by clicking the Next button as many times as needed, or by using the modules. Thank you for watching this video.